Master the Top It skills for 2025. The IT industry is changing faster than ever, and staying ahead means mastering the right skills. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone considering a career shift, knowing the IT skills in demand for 2025 could be your game changer. Stick around, because today we're diving into the top 5 IT skills that can make you indispensable. The impact of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let's start with the big one, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is revolutionizing everything from customer service to healthcare. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables computers to learn from data and improve without human intervention. Ever wondered how those chatbots know exactly what you're asking? That's AI in action. And it's not just chatbots. AI is behind recommendation engines like the ones on Netflix and predictive analytics tools, helping businesses make smarter decisions. Tips for viewers. Learn Python and frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Start with online courses on platforms like Coursera, edX, or Udemy. Build simple projects like an image recognition tool or a chatbot to showcase your skills. Cybersecurity. As businesses digitize, the risk of cyber attacks grows. From data breaches to ransomware, companies need experts to protect their systems. Roles like ethical hackers, security analysts, and penetration testers are in high demand. The best part? Cybersecurity isn't just for large companies. Small businesses and startups also need protection. Tips for viewers. Start with certifications like CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, or CompTIA Security Plus. Learn tools like Wireshark, Metasploit, and Burp Suite. Stay updated on the latest cyber threats through online communities and blogs. Cloud computing. Let's talk about cloud computing. The shift to remote work has made cloud solutions essential. Businesses are migrating to cloud platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud to improve scalability and efficiency. If you can design, deploy, and maintain cloud-based solutions, you'll be a valuable asset. DevOps and containerization tools like Docker and Kubernetes are must-haves in your toolkit. Tips for viewers. Start with cloud certifications, AWS Certified Solutions Architect or Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. Build and host personal projects on the cloud to gain hands-on experience. Full stack development. Full stack development is another hot skill. Businesses need developers who can handle both the front end, what users see, and the back end, what makes the app run. With the rise of frameworks like React and Node.js, full stack developers are in higher demand than ever. Whether it's e-commerce, fintech, or social media, every industry needs them. Tips for viewers. Learn the MERN stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React, Node.js. Contribute to open source projects to sharpen your skills. Build a portfolio with diverse projects to showcase versatility. Unlocking the future with data science and analytics. Finally, let's talk about data science and analytics. With businesses relying on data to make decisions, data professionals are in high demand. From uncovering market trends to improving customer experience, data science is shaping the future. Think about this. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Spotify use data to customize your experience. Imagine working on projects like these. Learn tools like Python, R, SQL, and Tableau. Focus on statistics, machine learning, and data visualization. Participate in Kaggle competitions to gain real-world experience.
Conclusion. So there you have it, the top 5 IT skills in demand for 2025. AI and machine learning, cybersecurity, cloud computing, full-stack development, and data science. Mastering even one of these could transform your career. Which skill are you most excited to learn? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your network, and subscribe for more tips on excelling in the IT world. See you in the next one.